Hey everyone, I'm Joanne Smith and welcome to Joanne's Corner. In today's tutorial, we're going to be making lasagna. I have a few of the ingredients laid out here. We've got some spaghetti sauce, mozzarella cheese, I have an onion that's chopped up, some cottage cheese, I have some lasagna noodles, and also a pound of ground beef. And let's get started. I have my pound of ground beef in the skillet, ready to start frying, and I'm going to add my chopped onion, and we're going to let this fry here. It's going to get hot, but right now I'm going to salt it and put a little garlic powder. You can use minced garlic if you would rather do that. And in my other pan over here, we're going to be boiling some water, and we're going to put our noodles. These are lasagna noodles, and I have already broken these in half. I've got 8 regular sized lasagna noodles, and we're going to boil these according to the directions on the package. So we'll do that, and then I'll be back with you. Okay, I have emptied a container of spaghetti sauce into my bowl, and here is my ground beef and my onions that I fried and drained. I'm going to add that and stir that up. And I'm also going to add some Italian seasoning in with this. I usually add oregano and basil and parsley, but this is all of them mixed up together, so I'm going to try that this time. Just mix this all up, and be sure to have a 9 by 13 baking dish or an aluminum pan that's been sprayed with your cooking spray, your nonstick cooking spray. And I'm gonna bring that over here. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna put down a layer of this first, of our spaghetti mixture. Just a thin layer. Next, we're gonna put some of our noodles. I've cooked those and drained them, and some of them broke on me more than what they were supposed to, but that's all right. We'll just make a layer of noodles. And you can just put them in here however you want. I had 2 to stick together, which wasn't good. I got to doing other things. I wasn't paying attention to what I was doing. And now we're going to put a layer of our cottage cheese. And just kind of smear that. It doesn't have to be perfect, just kind of spread it on this next layer here. And we're going to add some of our Italian shredded cheese. This can be a mozzarella. I'll make a layer of that. Usually instead of cottage cheese, I add ricotta. But I wasn't at the store that had ricotta cheese, so I'm not doing that. This is just Parmesan cheese, grated Parmesan and Romano cheese. You can add a layer of that. And then we'll go back to our spaghetti mixture. Just add another thin layer of that, and just layer until you get back to the top, and we're going to put cheese on that. You do not have to layer this the way that I just did. You can layer it any way that you want. And then after you get your last layer of cheese, just put a little bit of parsley on the top of it. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna bake it in a preheated 425-degree oven until it's brown and bubbly. And that's how you make lasagna. If you wanna add anything to this recipe or take away some of the ingredients that I put in there, just do what you like. If you like this video and you wanna see more videos like this, please like my video and subscribe to my channel. And we'll see you soon.